Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this episode of Logging It, I will be showing you how you can delete a contact on Telegram. Now for that, first of all, you need to open the Telegram application on your mobile device. Tap open the app. Once you open the Telegram, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen. There you will see the option of contact. You tap on that. This will direct you to the contact page of yours on Telegram. Now you choose the contact that you want to delete from your Telegram. Once you open that, you need to tap on the contact name on the top. Tap on that. This will show you the profile page of the contact. Now here you just need to tap on the three dotted lines on the top right corner, and there you will be able to see the option of delete contact. You just tap on that and you will be finally asked whether you're sure that you want to delete this contact or not. If you tap on delete, this contact will get deleted from the Telegram. Hope this video was useful on how you can delete a contact from your Telegram. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.